Oh no. This is it. This is the one. No, it'll be just like that one guy. He didn't stop hiccuping for 68 years. This is the end. I'll never be able to live a normal life again. Can't focus on work, can't sleep. I can't even talk to girls anymore without sounding like a nervous wreck. Okay, maybe this won't be such a bad life. I'm sure I can get used to it. I got used to an ingrown toenail. This is worse. I'll never be able to enjoy a milkshake ever again. What is it? Hold peanut butter in my mouth? Or is it water? Was it cold or hot? Is it ice cubes? Or do I just hold my breath? What causes hiccups anyway? Is it just my lungs rejecting the air as I breathe? Is this just a precursor to carbon monoxide poisoning? Is this how I die? Nope. I'll just hiccup for the rest of my life. I'll become a recluse, never talk to anyone, and never find joy in my life.